Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add this body chromatic diffusion effects to your videos and CapCut. So first, just add your clips to CapCut and make sure that the body parts is visible, and then after that just go to the effects, click on the body effects, and in here swipe on the category until you find the semi-conscious category. So in here under it you'll find the chromatic diffusions effect. So just click on the effect and your clips will go like this. But you can also adjust the effect. You can adjust the blur, the lateral chromatic, in here chromatic aberration. You can adjust the filter and also the size. So when you're done, just click on the check icon and adjust the length on how much you want the effects to be applied to your clips. And here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.